Welcome back to GCPS Tech Tips. Teachers, have you ever wanted to use a whiteboard app in the classroom that helps you understand student learning in real time? Today we are going to check out Google Jamboard. Jamboard is an interactive whiteboard that allows students to collaborate and share their ideas in real time. We are going to investigate several different ways to incorporate Jamboard into your instruction as a collaboration and formative assessment tool. First, let's create an image of the activity for students to provide answers. We will use a KWL chart for this example. Next, we will insert this image as a background. This best practice minimizes the student's ability to alter the question or format. Next, share the Jamboard with your students through Google Classroom or provide a link through eClass course pages. Then, ask students to respond. Encourage them to share their thought process and to explain their reasoning. Let's take a look at how a student can show their thought process on the next slide. Students can show how they found the area of the blue square by writing the step-by-step process on the slide. Check it out! Providing feedback to students can be a quick process for teachers. As your students work on the Jamboard, you can monitor their progress and provide feedback in real time. In this example, the teacher is checking to ensure the student understands the meaning of the synonym for happy. Teachers can use Jamboards to identify common misconceptions or areas where your students may need additional support. Let's check out some additional ways to use Jamboard with students. You can check students' understanding about a topic by allowing them to insert pictures, write on sticky notes, or type an answer. Jamboard can also be used by students to brainstorm for a story they are writing. Students can search for a picture within Jamboard, then label the picture. Daily calendars can also be completed within Jamboard by the students. Tracking the weather would be easy within Jamboard once the template is created. You can duplicate this slide by clicking on the slide at the top, then click on the three dots at the top of the slide to select Duplicate. Tracking the weather daily for a couple of days, a week, or even a month can take a few seconds by duplicating the slides. Checking on the completion status of a project can be easy for teachers by having the student place their name on a chart. Students can then move their name as they complete the project. Teachers can use this tool to check on students who might need additional assistance or completing the project quickly. Creating Venn diagrams or Frayer models in Jamboard is another way to check on student understanding of a topic to see if they understand the concepts. Need more space on the whiteboard? Simply click on the arrow pointing to the right at the top to create frame. You can use the left arrow to go back to previous frames. As you can see, there are several different ways to use Google Jamboard for collaboration and formative assessment with students. Jamboard is a great way to engage your students in active learning and monitor their progress in real time to support their learning needs. Try it out and see the positive impact it can have on your classroom. We will meet you back here next time on GCPS Tech Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe.